In today's video, I'm going to be going over my pros and cons on the brand new Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite right here in the house. I've been using this tablet for a few days now, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the things I like about this tablet and some of the things I do not like about this tablet. So just to start off positive, we're going to start off with the pros about this device, and the first one is going to be that it includes an S Pen, and especially at this price point, I believe on Amazon the other day, this was down all the way to $310. So an affordable Samsung tablet that actually includes an S Pen right here. Of course, this is going to provide a natural and low latency writing and drawing experience. So for any of the artists out there or students, this is going to be a very, very powerful tool for you guys. So if you are trying to get into animation or you're studying in college or high school, this is something that you guys are most likely going to use. Next pro is that we have Android 15 out of the box on this tablet, so we have a very up-to-date tablet right here. This is also going to have 7 years of major operating system updates. That means we're going all the way to Android 22 on this device. So definitely brings a great value to this tablet, especially since the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, I believe, only had 1 or 2 operating system updates. So crazy stuff right here. 7 years of major OS updates for the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Next pro is going to be the durable design on this tablet. This is going to be an all aluminum and glass build, very, very premium build on here. So this is not going to break into a million pieces if you drop it on the ground. However, it is very heavy. So that's definitely a downfall about this if you do not like heavier tablets. Very, very big 10.9-inch display right here, and it offers a lot of protection on the sides of it as well. So you have a durable and pretty nice design on this in general, especially for the price tag. It's going to feel pretty premium. And the next pro has to be that it offers 2 terabytes of expandable storage. So for the people out there who miss the expandable storage on their Samsung phones, you may have a Galaxy S25 or a Galaxy A56 or something like that. This actually offers expandable storage. Beautiful, beautiful to see it. So if you guys need to store files, videos, or photos and stuff like this, this offers ample room for you to go ahead and expand this storage via micro SD card. And last but not least, the biggest pro of all of the upgrades that we got from the previous Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. And if you guys don't know already, there wasn't an S9 Lite, there wasn't a Tab S8 Lite, there wasn't a Tab S7 Lite. We went all the way from the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite to the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. I guess it interfered with some of their other handsets or something like that, so they just named it the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Either way, the updates on this tablet are absolutely here. First and foremost, we have a 90 Hz refresh rate instead of 60. We also have a Exynos 1380 compared to last year's Exynos 1280. So this is going to be a lot more of a capable processor for anybody out there that does intensive gaming and stuff like that. It's not going to be the greatest for that stuff, but it's definitely going to be a lot more powerful than the previous 1280. We also get 6 gigabytes of RAM instead of 4. We get 25 watt wired charging instead of 15, and we have a 8,000 milliamp battery compared to the 7,000 milliamp that we had from last year as well. Another great increase is our storage right here. This tablet actually has 128 gigabytes of internal storage, coming up from the previous Galaxy Tab S6 Lite that only had 64 gigabytes of internal storage. So amazing upgrades that Samsung did to the brand new S10 Lite. And of course, we're getting into the dreaded cons on the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite right here. And these ones are essentially the only cons that I could find out about this device. If you guys have your own cons, leave them in the comment section down below. The first one though, very, very obvious if you guys know anything about this tablet, it has a TFT display. So if you turn it at a certain angle, it is going to look a little bit washed out. Now I still feel like the display is very colorful, very vibrant, looks good, and in general most people are not even going to care. And if you're not doing anything that has to do with, like, you know, playing games that use a gyroscope or anything like that, you're not really going to have any issue because most of you are going to look at this tablet head on. But yeah, only TFT display. I'm hoping next year we're going to use an AMOLED display, as it does bring brighter colors, better saturation, and of course, better viewing angles. Next up has to be that there is no fingerprint scanner on this device for upgraded security. So all we have is the pin, and a lot of you, I'm sure, are not going to care about this, but I just think it's a lot quicker if you use a fingerprint scanner on any device in general. and it just kind of sucks that we don't have one in this one. And the last con on this device has to be that this tablet is not going to be for heavy gaming, intensive creative work, or high performance multitasking. If you are the average college student out there, or you're trying to do, some light animation or drawing like that for your classes, or just recreationally, like you enjoy drawing and stuff like that and creating things, you can absolutely go pretty far with this tablet and you can do a lot of things on this. However, if you are a professional creative, this is probably not going to be a tablet for you because the processing power isn't as good as some of the higher end tablets out there. So if you're really looking for something to utilize for like social media or your job, you should probably get something a little bit more powerful, because if you're on this all the time, there are going to be a few glitches here or there, and definitely something more capable would be a better use case for you and a better investment, especially if you're making money or generating income off of this tablet. Anyways, those are all of the pros and cons that I have found about the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. If you guys have your own, let me know them in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. But if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.